Welcome back to Tech with Adil MC, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be working on my new daily driver, the 2014 Honda CRV. I will be installing exterior LED lighting, window visors, and mudguards. Okay, let's start with the license plate lights. Use a flathead to unclip the light cover, then pull out the housing and separate the cover and light socket. Pull out the old light bulb and install the new one in. It's plug and play. Now let's do the rear tail light, stop light, turn signals, and reverse light. First, remove the 3 screws securing the taillight assembly and then pull out the bottom assembly as I show here. Pull to the side, then out, and it'll pop right off. Undo the wire harness and set the assembly aside. Now pull the top assembly off and undo the wire harness. There's only 2 clips holding the top assembly since we already removed the screw before. The top wire harness also has a clip holding the wire harness along with the actual connector. Now remove the old bulbs by twisting counterclockwise and pulling out. Install the new bulb as shown. The left side is LEDs and the right side is halogens. You can clearly see the difference here. The front was a bit difficult to record, but essentially I'll show the location of the bulbs on the driver's side. The passenger side is even easier. You need to move the fuse box to access the front high-low headlight on the driver's side. Just undo the 2 clips and the fuse box can be moved. In this case, I am replacing the front signal, high-low beam headlight, and side marker light with LEDs. Once you find the location, just remove the old bulbs by undoing the wire harness and twisting counterclockwise and pulling them right out. The front headlight in this case is removed by removing the rubber cover, then undoing the metal clip by pushing in and sliding it out. And finally the bulb will come out. Here is the test video of the LEDs during the day. Notice here that the front turn signals are switchback type LEDs. Here the light is white when not in use and amber when the turn signal is on. Also, I bought all the LEDs with built-in resistors so I don't have the quick flash issue. I'll have the links of all the parts in the bio. Now let's install the window visors. They come with double-sided tape pre-installed. Just remove the plastic cover and install. It will be a tight fit and you'll have to bend and maneuver it in, so don't be scared to bend it. Then use the provided clip to push it into the side to help hold the window visor in place. I only put it on the rear side because it was more than enough to hold it in place. Finally, let's move to the front mudguards. This is an easy install. You need to just align the mudguard and then screw it in. There are no pre-drilled holes, so you'll have to use the provided self-tapping screws. The front is the same on both sides, but for whatever reason, the rear is a bit different. The driver's side rear mudguard only uses 2 screws, whereas the passenger side rear mudguard uses 3 screws. That's the end of this video, everyone. I'll be doing a lot more modification videos for this CRV, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.